Good day everyone. Let's explore different types of network ports. Understanding network ports. Network ports are essential components of computer networks. They serve as communication endpoints, helping computers know which service or application should handle incoming or outgoing data. Understanding how network ports work and the different types available can be incredibly useful for anyone looking to navigate the world of networking. What is network port? A network port is a virtual point where network connections start and end. They allow computers to distinguish between different types of traffic, ensuring that the right data reaches the right application or service. Each port is identified by a number, known as a port number, which ranges from 0 to 65,535. Types of network ports. Network ports can be classified into several categories based on their port numbers and usage. 1. Well-known ports. Range 0 to 1023. Description. These ports are reserved for specific services and protocols. They are widely recognized and are usually assigned to widely used protocols. Examples: Port 80, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Port 443, HTTPS, HTTP Secure, Port 21, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, Port 22, SSH, Secure Shell. 2. Registered ports. Range 1024 to 49151. Description. These ports are assigned by the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, IANA, for specific applications and services that are not as universal as those using well-known ports. Examples: Port 3306, MySQL Database Server. Port 1433, Microsoft SQL Server. Port 3389, Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP. 3. Dynamic or private ports. Range 49152 65535. Description. These ports are not assigned to any specific service and can be used for custom or temporary purposes. They are often used by applications and services for custom communication. Examples: Port 49160, frequently used for random application assignments. Port 65535, highest number in the TCP/UDP port range. Importance of network ports. Network ports play a crucial role in network security and management. By understanding and managing ports effectively, network administrators can improve security, close unnecessary ports to protect against unauthorized access, optimize performance, ensure that network traffic is correctly routed to avoid bottlenecks, facilitate troubleshooting, identify issues by monitoring traffic on specific ports. In conclusion, network ports are an integral part of the networking infrastructure. By understanding the different types of ports and their uses, individuals can better manage and secure their networks.
Thank you for joining Cloud with B.